Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on your Google Play Store in Google Pixel 8. And to do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here we can try to find a game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, it's not visible anywhere. And now to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and head on to the settings. Enter Family, Parental Controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for Apps and Games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and when we go back again, look for the game again. Here's Call of Duty, and we can install it, and most of the games also should be back. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.